Right. Riding season is back. About to get on that CB 300R and see what it's doing. That Honda CB 300R. We about to get on that and see what's good. Beautiful day in Brooklyn, New York. Damn near 55 degrees. Get gloved up. We are ready to make moves. Beautiful. It's a cool technique about braking without even hitting the brakes. We're trying to get that just by braking down. Don't assume a car's gonna stop. You got to make sure. Like, you got to make sure before you just go gunning it. Go and look like he's stopping. No, you're gonna double and triple check that one. That's it, you know. When you assume a car gonna do something, they always do the opposite. And before you know it, you caught up in a bunch of nonsense. A bunch of nonsense. We out here. We out here. Man, that was a pothole, boy. You got to pay attention to everything. That's one of the main things I like about riding, son. Your senses got to be, you know, hyper aware. Oh, my boy Dan the Fireman, you're in white zone. You don't want to be in white zone. I know that was scary, but once we get through, we good. We good. I mean, that was a bit shaky, but we good. And sometimes you get mad at people like that guy. I had my light on. He was probably wondering, what are you doing? Are you turning? Are you going straight? You know, I didn't realize I had my turning light on. Yeah, I could chill. I don't need to lane split. Well, lane split is illegal in New York, but this bike is nimble enough that I can wait a second and plan my traffic attacks. You know, plan it wisely. No, I'm a lane position 2 guy. I like lane position 2. Kind of locks the lane down. Don't allow any idiots to try to come up. You know, that rarely happens to me, but the moment you expect it not to happen, it does. This is one of my favorite strips to come down. It was one of the first, when I first started riding, it was one of the first strips that was coming down because it's one of the least strips One of the only strips you find so little traffic at any day of the week, any time of the day. It's a really nice strip to ride down. Gotta always check that speed, man. These speed cameras, man. Since I had this bike, I've had at least 3 tickets sent, 3 speeding tickets sent in the mail, man. It's just, you go past that 34 mark, the speed limit's 25, so they give you that nine extra, so I push it to 34, but man, it is so easy to pass that 34. 34 feels like nothing on certain strips. It does, man. It does. Double, triple, quadruple check. There's no lane splitting allowed in New York, but it's definitely lane dipping. When I come through here, I like to clear it up for the bikes, the pedal bikes, to get around me if they need to. This guy gonna mess me up. When you do that, your takeoff got to be pretty good. That's when you get other drivers upset, you know what I'm saying? Or try to overtake you. When you take off shaky, you know what I mean? You got to launch out of there, son. You want to continue the speed, but for the initial overtake, you just want to launch. Once you do that, nobody can't really tell you nothing. I didn't slow you up. Didn't cut you off. I didn't impede your driving in any way. All I did was pull up on the side of you and launch. That's it. That negates any kind of debate, any kind of argument, any kind of middle finger throwing up. I launched. That's it. That's the only thing you can be mad at me about, you know what I mean? They're behind you, so you don't even really see if they are, which I doubt. I try to ride cool and calm, man. You ride aggressive and angry, your mind gonna be focused on that, whatever got you angry, that aggressiveness. Makes no sense. Makes no sense. See my overpass coming? Now it's smelling like laundry smell. There it goes. Detergent, soap. Side of a vehicle, orange zone, wheels not moving. Good to go. Another trick. I do that even when I'm driving. like even with this car, the wheel's not even inching moving. So you gotta pay attention to all those kind of little details. Under the overpass, darkness into the light. This is the reward after the water. Beautiful. 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 Then here you come. Guess he was trying to catch the light. Sometimes you think somebody just tailgating you. Man, now you come down here, you're like, yo, am I still in Brooklyn? Or is this the south of France? This is one of the only strips. I don't recommend riding with one hand, but if you are, it needs to be a wide strip like this, little to no traffic. You can get caught up with the view, but no car behind me. You know? Passing the Emperor's house, like some beautiful homes. It's really nice, man. You get caught up with in the tranquility of it all. Like, yeah, am I still in BK? Is this Brooklyn? Yes, sir, it is. Yes, sir, it is. Here we go. The end of the journey. Gonna be nice with the Uis. Nice with the Uis. Nice with the Uis. Drop it back. We'll be good to go. There we go. There we go. Very nice. Very nice. And here we are. We're at the end. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you got some value from it. If you did, hit that subscribe button. Hit the like. Leave a comment. Any feedback is appreciated. So until next time, John Eli Lopez signing out. Y'all be good and be safe.